Be a sing konya near the shootout ebro Sompa 93.1 FM. So Shannon so say no 9 and you be sorry konya so Monday to Friday. We bia nom ye no bo pound sima aduonum num 255. Na yatena se akosi se ebebo eye no 9 ya sorry nkonwa so na ye beda ohene yere ase ewo abrom de sompan komo e de breye u case ni say na city all the bar on behwe no madi no maka no pepepe eso e de amamidin e de lu taking obeti Michael Asaribo Dunka Michael Akomere Sports Messiah Collins Atapoku ena Tiwa de Akufu Ado obeti ono so enka production team no eye kramo kase kramo akukọ nyini nas ena LED production sanso na Murphy eso eboa me de dwumade de abroko MCR the hard working school fees eso Kevin ho sanso na Kobi ene nana safo ne mrante ahodo aka nyina no eboa me de dwumade de abro ne nsama ebedi atenantwie so far CAF Women's Champions League ampem da ko akogina kono kodi ntwo na de na ebobo de ba enu achi no ye be say Chris Wooten the Black Stars of Ghana your head coach no road send city and sanaf connect me to January South Sudan good news uba for 48 Division 1 clubs no de na ye insire Oma chance a omo elbow enu achi be mediama na omo sponsorship deal with hotel bi na sa hotel no so far omo deal no send city omo renew and omo terminate ni nyina na don someday bro hi Sompa 93.1 FM so the dwade ne shootout and the roko Facebook Sompa 931 and Sompa TV Ghana like na share wadwen kire bia no de to a ye beji brebe kenkan ediama ba bia obia no mamenton kan Moro kwasi dan guy chairman Moro no opiemo atebebo amante NTC vice chairman no wose musho no samantie bi no manhwe bia etsama sa kapman no manwamo ese Manchester United bobo no manhwe bia Sompa menemo ne kona kana chairman Moro kwasi dan guy ye da sepa nyame so nye okokroko nyame nye odiasa nyame nye okese nyame nye obrempon na bia so enye kam Saso and the Don Kinetic the Don one ASP David Kwabna Jima we baby amu bia me mamo ha se musulmun fa ni agro bia kamane se obolo bolo bolo batapoku obolo bo na num nyina jama obetene nka wa ha ese ono so eba nsampi ne de ba na dwuma ko bia da roma ene dro yombo ya chito bia de dwuma die eba ne de ababe down protozo ampa bia obi amanya signal no ese o so hwe dwuma die ntenten di kua pa koko na wo Sankore protozo Enoch Quackson from Sashi my schoolmate no my classmate we drag college bia obi anyame nyo kese fa obo help medical research center sian kan tro say ba cardiovascular diseases omo ye expert pa na ye cardiovascular diseases e bia the high blood pressure sanso and fatigue sanso na ya no wakoma enyina bo pa enu achi no obi atoa na utonko wani so nyina ebribru ukọ ometu ase adama we na ukọ ada madam ukọ so wuntimi ntwa ukọ na ukọ nyina ye oja ukọ obo heba medical research center ometu ase adama enu achi hepatitis eba diabetes awona ope say problem for bana sabema ni nyina no ometu ase adama sanso na typhoid na ukọ kidney problem o se ni nyina no eye obo heba a medical research center no mse nkan cho se hwomo kira kwakuma se adoato adamanu last stop omone sofma mi no ton kenke no na last stop ene die nhwe from 0257 472506 0257 472507 0249 761508 Monday to Saturday anopa 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Call na obo heba research center for no eni nkomo okay mame nkwa man so na me ne tete zuta eni nkomo from Mediama bobo kono asuye ni nyina no se ona de general manager dema eye Mediama na yenya signal bi so wrama na about eye hotel I find the Royal Gate per almost sponsorship deal and no more no almost say renew no by 1 year. Ayatesem Yebusa se no krebe no tete awia Sompa ne Kumase ya Moham wakwaba. Hello tete. Hello tete Zuta. Hello senior. Okay. Ye hwese yen sabeka tete Zuta na yene no adi nkomo concerning Royal Gate Hotel. So ma renew am sponsorship. Improved package kwan yese ebeba na yebekɔ ne yakodi nkomo ne ahwese bibia ebekoye eso ewo ho a ne yapemu enkyiremu no de yete ene de ehu no so no krebe ne wom eno e de te eso no ye ka to say 21st clinic eseba sciatica dia omo eye expert mayem kosa this time round Tete Zuta the general manager mas mediama aba man so Tete good afternoon. Okay, me say no mabe dem 21st clinic. 21st clinic. Say yan kan cho say yade pe na adi usunkunim. Yade pe na akudanko. Yade pe na yedo ato na nan mo nse do. Abusuaba mu yabu ana. Enu an so do an be chemo 21st clinic. Ye from semanhia Ghana for nyina wa basbodie bia 21st clinic enya de bom bi so ma mank yewu eno mu nti sciatica yade no edini na mu mrike dwane aseatu amenhwese Tete Zuta ba Tete otemenka memwa ha ema wakwa ba okay ye hwe na 21st clinic for say oba omo lab technicians a oma ben oma wedare ewo moja mu nhwehwemu ho ombetwe moja na bibia so I come from the raw lab normal trim was some the scan machine scanning the pedua ombe sama bia kama na no achi no yade bia ni wa oba 21st clinic community some dey bibidro and say ade na ho brase eni nyamesuro eni nipa do ene eku omo kombe krokro dada ombe krokro so your brimpon answer mo tu yade na say e dia ma na omo more than 15 branches for Ghana ha ebi okuma se hwe overseas alpha radio nchewa ena nkran dome market wo obo ase cancel quarters call junction ena sunwan nkransa tachuma ne miamia bebre de obehia se obefre number 0249311311 0249311311 ena 0540 311 21st clinic expert in sciatica. Mami kona me Tete Zuta this time sanoma do dema. Senior, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss.
Me ba chobo ko de.
Na me ado me bia boko na mo so.
Na me ado me krekram okuma se Sompa nie ya mo ham wakwa ba biem.
Me da se odia.
We dia wie ye frɛ wa enya bone ye tete asa per the sponsorship dealer. Na ewo the Royal Gate Hotel and mediama entem no almost say renew no by 1 year na 1 year no onye renew akeke na mom very enhanced package and omo dia baso aya no kre na no kre wo ma emu nkyerɛkyerɛ mu no sai ene sitie.
Okay, me da se ewie mitia o titre mitia me senior man atapo komitia opana members na mitia tifo nyina na ahwefo nyina ewie Tenyamote no sanity and a paina already no editing nkomo regarding the extension of a sponsorship package, you know. Last year I signed a sponsorship deal with Royal Gate Plaza Hotel now on my 100 rooms for your services, whether I say their place and I say never stay here. And now I was this year, August. Until you know more editing nkomo. And I think we came to a conclusion the best extended because both parties indeed benefited from a sponsorship package. You know, any chicken common na women say nena abawaji pomakwemwa na say a sign extension. Na ni women say last year my 100 rooms, but this year between epidemic 120 rooms boy na these are some of the people who came on board Moboama getting a winning leg in last season. And so by virtue of the fact that mutim aboy sano you can home on mampo promote na omo imagine say omo ne beto aso partnership no na kopentama you don't say Midima Sporting Club and Royal Gate Hotel Plaza no hotel any target ACTC in so even na be achieve.
Okay, there's a good news and yatina way. Now benefit bay and I'm a dema ebenya free.
Okay. The men American rooms it is there for us. In our visitors. One thing is the Royal Gate Hotel Plaza and Takwahaya. Now it is one of the best in terms of quality, in terms of hospitality. Now, senior visitors, both fine near many advantage, many opportunity to me. Akodaho. Say be a player B eba. Na say in the interim no. I was see a baby mano. Na while I share the accommodation. Once I'm sending idea na otimi ekokolo the only players and quite coaches. Any idea. Intino benefit here. Kasi in the brand the Royal Gate Plaza no otakwa asi wajidi panchi. Inya sa brand no so attach media Sporting Club I think say. And so boy ma epija your brand no ekwenyu.
Okay. Tete Zutan yanini din komo na wie from Medema. Aswe tete ma musa say dia na ma Medema yeso nko ase say dia say sponsorship deals in a bar na ebe.
Okay, say first and foremost no say only oko bi nim for sponsorship na so beti wa I say one kasa no so o show packaging ho yi in such a way say me also koton no ono so ni beji ho a obeto. Intino right from last season they started league, you know, put structures in place in fact a boy from your technical setup, if you playing body now, quality of players team is signing who came on board, your communication team, Ejuma Omoye, administratively so, Ejuma so yeah. In fact, meaning now no a boy and then most importantly club president and then a wife more support and then boy and fancy car investment or mutimi this year Medema Sporting Club meaning now a boy Emma yetumi package ye nyamiadom and also etumi yelde results are Emma yetumi G League no nti etumi G League no net say brand no akosra say yeko bi anima at least etumi my mileage ma yetumi nya sponsorship nti eno na etumi aboa ma Medema Sporting Club etumi attractive more sponsorships on board.
Okay. Now enchaye na nguvu mining for a buy and say so mwatimi ashemu kina a renew package no eno ye money Royal Gate Hotel Plaza for yewo another companies bi a omo line so omo ba ana asese na no mate.
Okay, not only in Nguvu, I think before no na Anglo Good Ashanti and so my financial support go for Ghana Limited, so just recently so almost $100,000 and also it to me acquire financially and so in Nguvu almost about me almost to me boy reading the high sense so came on board, they helped and they supported us with brand new bus. I'll share bus I used to this season now a high sense now almost MIA and there are a couple of other corporate entities and companies are actual proposals they also come on board. So for now no until say they conclude on any of those arrangements and in front to but the woman say there are other people who also are willing to come on board and the negotiations are ongoing.
Okay. My free na yantinsi ye Bed Power Premier League and outstanding gamer ultimate win 1-0 10 so atremano I may say league log no Medema ababe toso miensa nyame pa Sunday mo ball against Brekum Chelsea sena and wabo an city na league no mo target no mo vision no is it on course?
Oh yeah. I think you start in the sense in the Carolinas go home draw a hand call Ediana Colusia but as at now league na course no na your standing matches international sha no da see ho but we say after matches no nyame adomna city ni sa ebetumi push ya top it was a motivation and my boys say into me and climb top because you about Champions League the Champions League but definitely be do times yeah you focus na the Champions League now so there is a time I was to me accumulate enough points ba me say you be to na concentrate on Champions League now and co affect your position on the league log and indeed nyame adom yetumi winning most of our standard matches. The team Aquacunia away wins, which is very important. So our target is on course. We want to retain the league this season, and I think we are right on course. I don't know if Sunday, I don't know, maybe second, depend upon the results from other centers. Until the target is to retain the league this season, and I think we are on course.
Okay. Tetema Musa was last season medium and J. Now the last season league campaign no compare this season. Season after now say and so say city the competitiveness and so say city.
Okay. To say now can I say now it's early days yet. To me, and kind of sense last season there was very competitive to move acquire to I think last but one or last game before we could know say teams from relegation and teams are to me clear. This season I think they are starting and yes so Game Sporting Club and get both Champions Leagues. They are not focus no but I think the quality hasn't as compared to last season and that for me I think there was still competition in the league and you never can tell say winner beji and as a winner they call relegation. So we are along the line near ABC, but I think the league is still competitive enough.
What I mean, John Wakwana playing as our Champions League na so far in my first step Motimia Richie more objective and edikan. Now so far move run into the group stages send a Wabuano City Diana Ghana and Shanimu and free medium for her.
Okay, that's it. Yes, that's it. From the prelims, my target is the real good stages, and indeed, with the support of Ghanaians, with the prayers of Ghanaians, I don't my team, TV, star, see, any good stages, we are paired with Al Ahly of Egypt, Belouizdad, Algerian champions, and young Africans. My former club. You know, good name easy because these are African giants. And if they are going up against this we have to prepare adequately, both on and off the field. Players, they are motivated, and yes, you can corner motivated players at this age because they feel say playing the CAF Champions League now represent a team and a country. Is enough motivation for you. Now, this is where you are exposed to other foreign clubs, Obama or dreams, or target our city for one as a player. So, by virtue of that fact, they are motivated. But aside that, also management are also motivating them financially because in the Jumana here, so we are aware of that fact, and management is doing everything possible to make sure say we have a very successful campaign. Target is any dream safety. Zara phone now so Mompaye and from dream safety. Now almost to me a good campaign. Now Namaya Adumna say based on your performance, say CAF making restore the first lot now and maybe it is good for the image of Ghana football.
Okay. Now, a Bassa Mediamani Ali, ball first game now. And fan will be my 2 Mediama for so.
Oh, no. I think you qualify from prelims Nigeria, a group stages, now you say balloting, you bet me COBR, and so it was expected. Into Ali, and far president, but you know, say a honor be a bedding. We are also, we have the men to also live up to expectations who are very psyched, who are very motivated. So they can also represent the club and represent the club well.
Okay. What you senior me John Wako so ka Ghana nyina mfa mpa bon town ni dream self achi moji league no dim sam ko Ghana o man panyin ho promise no wadaruma mon set mi aka
from where I sit in the Yensanyanka, but I don't know in Shisaya because we know your member of parliament who have been very supportive for a campaign ono so no eguso because ono no member of parliament ono represent Takwasem constituency intine ono so guso a odi hujuma yele mi say enche yebeti asem from office of the president.
Okay. Zuta ebeda se obra oji ya wie one Sompa yedi nkomo okumase. Tete Zuta general manager Adma Mediema Sporting Club and yekoye ni kodi nkomo concerning omo renewal omo ye with one of omo sponsors ye from Royal Gate Hotel Plaza Otakwa sikane package se womu no emu odopa emu odu emu hwam na ekodi nkomo na so far Ghana Premier League no se omo target no omo guso mpeso omo ehwe no omo retain league no omo je ye no na bia kama sempi no odi tu dwa ha Sompa 93.1 FM suni mizo drink na ye ka mizo drink a fruit drink ye o mango flavor ne o pineapple na wa wunya bia bon sampanya danta de sika papa ne sika kokko ebo ano ne nyina no se no mom dia sosom no obi yare no nya bia miracles na ye esan yade mizo fruit drink na mabubu ani asori anante adeya no odayare sabia na obi di mizo ni bi koma obi oda sick bed bi so na oti flavor ne keke no obi a wabubu oda ntimi sori o kope bi anom ye usu asori gina na so mam kakra nso hwe mizo fruit drink no enu ntino obi yare dayare sabia o kwa fa mizo fruit drink koma no enkramofo program ase obi anom apemfo numbi abata numbi nkwada numbi obia numbi program bia se na ye program no 17 mizo fruit drink wase a etse wasa kap man wanwam etse wo fufuo no amu pa etse obeda no wankoto entwa yie saso miza 5G bo wonum to emu ode yie emu ode keke miza 5G jensin wom green tea na guarana na grapes no eba bia fine we adwuma akra no abro na nta na o pante o te so sesi asrade ne doso mo ase kufu ado no owo Sompa no o se srade no melt enane entu nya miza 5G enye bibia na oso di twa wanum se oso to miza 5G na akoda nya ska de num bi na oso te kama na bia fine fe number bia obia ne mfdo obi na ton sa so na mo nam traffic mi na won ton bia o hwiri ska number ne 0246 270221 0246 270221 manager Daniel 21st clinic overseas Kumasi and be kind supermarket sister SLA ewa bawa post office Anumanji Kumasi mama Esther wa domne Asumdwe Junction Ultra Baptist University na ewa abuakwa na obehunu ho ko na kwajibi na bia enye kama mame nko Techuman 11 Wonders na mene Mr. Amo enko di nkomo one the general manager Edima Techuma 11 Wonders. Mr. Mo ya Muhammad wakwa baba Sompa so Kumase.
Ya nya jozo.
Na huna mu boko de.
Nyango pon dom de bia de na kwan. Ya be fa.
We de olman ya mo ahome ne yete wo homa mu a ne nyina no se ya tete ese pe the sponsorship and as a partnership the Ghana Football Association and Goyle filling station and Goyle oil ewo no na yate se omo ama 48 division 1 clubs no omo ma obia fuel coupon a esombo be 10,000 Ghana cedis ne yate no be se ba bu se so no kre na no kra clubs no nsaka mu coupon
ya me ne de kan no na waso na me tia o pa na so na me tia Sompa Africa ene tie ko na me tia Techuman 11 on the supporters and then the management member playing bodies. And of course, if you finish about Obama fuel water 10,000 Ghana cedi. Last year, we my and this year and so what they are my card never the my last year. You have this year there or loading and the my and of course and second fuel of 10,000 Ghana cedi from GS and I boy and the my.
Na wakwa general manager Adma division 1 club 11 Wonders mi busao ebisi 10,000 there e wo form so na hin na edimbedru na mo ape na betimi aboa mo
minia because 10,000 minim de original suit o ka 10,000 because previous league ya boa last year and this year nkwan na yenya fuel afide de be ya na ye your fuel a car at the Cocobo market. The one you'll be now was all sending $100 million in your capital. In the year class in the other castle, you know, Yamitrano, na the old, you know, the Bianya Kama said the ya, ever Buamo, Timaso Fire, Senator, because in your 10,000 worth of fuel, at the Eboa, TNT, and I say the boy a car, no fuel, I think a dog boy and the whole basa 10,000 over to the above market upward in the grade. Into the moon say, the power is in a living out there. Yanka said a bear of the coastal I now walk lap no man. You're wine high.
Okay. Now, if you know, or much less say, wait na air soa, and they be dear chira, a best about Division 1 clubs in Marseille.
Almost about last year, my 80,000 cities as sponsorship money at the bank, 30,000 rather. And this year, almost under my 80,000. In the first quarter, number 30,000. And on the main and Saka media, the other teams in India, but men and Saka 30,000, almost 50,000 are come. Rather, and I have said. And so area second round that's 2,000 so about the country 30,000 now 80,000 our share bonus me 30,000 aba and full no so by now yes so then my shopping voucher I go come shopping voucher 5,000 and then in my day give you say economy area about the country the other kind of say Nanishra na Nema or na minton na entimi emboa na enye you said the collapse you ben han here because said mini a chimi ya na nye so we club na we ni obi a oboa ya na you know be lost for ya ka santa ya ada boa ma chimi ya aya ono ama e bi obi to be na so you bi ono church na about the
okay. Minya mami nchao na nkwane mo kono 11 wonders. Yenim say last season enya bofa kwata no a anka Premier League no mo san ba mu. Na so far this season Division 1 League na chance zone 1. Say ena mo no ma eko na hoboabo no eko se na fi o share 11 wonders supporters ball. Ese bofa kwa gym slot 3 nsem no this year mo ba.
Yeah, I mean, Medawasibi. I'm the football, but football from Framanagina. And I'm from also the independent in Chirabi and Samabako. And the author, team 11 on the year within our power. Say, there are much no opponent. But there be a dog could do there. Yes, in the arm, the stadium, Samabako. The bonfires in Uncle Falla and Brea Fan. Because your baby I want your luck football na yana na yedi if you your luck na you will take away you go I think surely you will achieve our goal.
Mr. Amu yebeda say awie obra unya ya ne Sompa Kumasi yedi nkomo yakọ Techman na 11 wonders Division 1 club omu general manager Mr. Amu ekodi nkomo concerning eye 10,000 a fuel coupon Ghana Football Association paying for their mom was a crowd boy mu dra say oh if you know a show mo bo e so be mo 80,000 as a sponsorship money no and first quarter 30,000 omo saka omo de say so omo twen Melcom 5,000 shopping voucher and omo twen komo bebre no ne yedi aha Sompa 93.1 kasab die suni mamenko abro noma on a kasadma samates enkodi nkomo na musanse so sana hobobo ate e kirom ne krobia kumasa sante kotoko na de pem so abro noma otemenka Sompa su ne kumase mo hamu akwaba na sa hona mu boko de
obo ade adom ye ho ye na mo nso e
na ye krokram olmai wadi awie yenim say china e wo Summer Boy Nsenchire Sports Complex adaje ni poso ne nyina ye krobia kumasa Asante Kotoko ne Summer Test 1996 na so far head of sa big game we no we kasamafo send and hyehyeye ene ahoboabo an sitie
ma me nas na me che kumasi fo nyina awusiesi na ahoboabo an wo soro that was Summer Test afem and the team ni last shake up 8 a.m. Players have camp on the report 4 p.m. Now we have the players will be available for selection. Camp at the morale camp high. Some others are well motivated because game one. Some others just any match. Since I feel we lost both home and away to Asante Kotoko. And especially at Aboyeno, some of the supporters are fine. In fact, they are fine easy. It's a match, they attach seriousness to it. They call all round, all angle. You fire from all cylinders in Yanko Poya Adumwa. It beats me, I did the same as 1 point for Asante Kotoko. Indeed, I tell a bit last show match in Yakubon Ochinan.
Sekila be last show, dear Mudia to Kotoko game, no so dear. I say Monia Brea must more fire from all angles. Mama team no special package just to motivate them. So I'm better Kotokana.
Now me I do man 4 p.m. Management be share playing body. 7 p.m. you were saying that team here and Diano be share playing body. You were saying be share playing body no be catch it all. Minim say you were saying the ball na asemde atofom it's any problem no ka say here players na nkasa no one omunim say omo ntwe ma Kotoko match man say omo awe nkoko every day pia no and every match be no mudi bronya it's way aye game back wa eno so omo bebo a ebe so omo nkasa ni munyam it is 7 p.m. you were say be ka say we are any bi hu ni e hye o wode ma ye mrantie ne sama tese busuani nyina
okay. Yen someone Kotoko a big game na mu players na mo fitness na say ne sitie
betumi aka say the players in are fit obi eni wa o chena match ni coach friend say onko camp wontumi nkobo apart from the striker we play week 18 last season Sido Abubakara wontumi nka team ni ho no players they win na obi are fit and available for o chena match no obi employ obi anyare doctors in confirm it will be yare something the head of medical team Dr. Yusuf Tijani I could meet the players in and obi an complaining say yare and waka tell the players na fit for selection what we nim George BC but na me no ka say there players na fit and available for ochina match no
okay yenim say we Summer Boy any now to Summer Boy and our around now your Summer Test fana game bi se obi abepeso ba behwe bi supporters mo won hye bi di ma mo e kiro bi behwe bi asai ns kasemesitie na tambay na mo bebie
gate 8 a.m. ochina 8 a.m. any bebie gate no 8 a.m. no supporters 8 a.m. no sounds what na pre-technical meeting beba so 9:30 a.m. 10 a.m. na pre-technical meeting na we after 10 a.m. na take it to tona sase air koso the supporters be available I was stadium more 10 a.m. at the watchna popular stand I have 40 Ghana cedis center line I have 60 Ghana cedis VIP I have 70 Ghana cedis VVIP I have 200 Ghana cedis who could assess the care be watching out to me in the stadium and the rest of matters I watch Kotoko watchna I was Summer Boy
na mwanya signal bi se Kotoko team na be piem wo Summer Boy
Kotoko bedu asankregwa 1:14 p.m. and do asankregwa se omoda asankregwa uptown hotel na me yad mo chana umbeto aso abedu asankregwa from Summer Boy to asankregwa na 35 minutes drive it Kotoko team na bedu Asankragwa the capital of Amenfi West Assemna Boysa Sieno. Eti team no wo the iron bebo match no ma be game mu kunanga match be ba so no mu nyandru mu mo be da Asankragwa and the ball 1:14 p.m. Kotoko do Asankragwa be do mo kwakoda nti o ma be du aso mu
na se dia se wani asia bre ehu time on be dru ye hotel mo eda ene time on be banners for bibi wa chira na
Master Kotoko votu dru be bia na me di moto di o ma chi from be bia ni to Asankragwa o
ada muyam sese mo ana so mbe mbibi
na bi ye bo mo ba no ma be du aso mu ye my private security on say na say ye nyan Lagos City for nam sa fan za no be sa attack e wo mo eti yen sama se ya fact ye mo se Kotoko for ma ye no mo nko ye nyina yen ka te be provide ye private security adi o mo na protect e wo mo enye sabi boni so ana bibia so ne mumu no ye bo mo ho ban san se to Kotoko ato samates ato Kotoko yen kasa ye lidi wo mo ne mumu no e san se ye ni private security for ye lidi wo mo ntino ya ma omu ahu se bamboo se ne ye de ma omu ne mumu mbe de ma omu hu se di na ye di mo ni mo chi no ne ye to Lagos City fonti ene ye yi se ye bo mo ho ba de mo bedu aso de mo ko nso be sa ye sa de amamo in fact they were shocked enti mo bedu aso de mu enu ntina ma ye hu time mo bedu ye ewo Asankragwa
Abron mami jamu akonem Kotoko force yemfa nkra we mamo omo ni bre na omo de ba no omo bomi mfi taduku na no dreams abehye wo mo nti so omo am pick win wo sama boy a ene de besibesi
ene de besi ne benya si de besi no e benya si ochena because me ma police wo brekum mentre fi lose bra penya atechere ne pena atechere on ne pena mo jado ne senju frem ma ansre Kotoko zo muntina baba ya ran lusu mo lusu me min say stadium had here fair grounds min lusu match afi bia ni mun sem so mo say tu last year started do mo say afi o me sa be say kuma se kala be wutina
kila be wula so
kuma se kala watina la so be wu and make me assure some supporters say Kotoko so be say watina yake agroni form watina nje stadium be kasa na ntan ko 5 p.m. no na kila ne da fo kuma se kila da fo
Aaron ma meda se obra onya ya wi oni edi nkomo
madam asi so many na me shira me tia some passport school ni na
ye nyina aso ye jewo so na me ka ho Abeheba clinic say kan cho say abibidro e de na so ye ne wo ne nyina nso odi nuaba hama ne sa yade se sexual weakness be ma onyo ba no asorosoro no untimi ma ne nkoni zigini ni zagam untimi ma ne mpawachew uhia Abeheba clinic kokko obetu oyade ase ama odi an ye stomach ulcer kraba odi awuyam etware na aba su kokko odi na koda ne mankani oba bosom so na utwa jadwo bosom yansa kra no mu nsa da unchima da also kwa Abeheba clinic eno achi no odi na diabetes malaria to kraba wakoma ho odi no bacterial infection wanya adeba kwa Abeheba clinic edamfu a sickle cell yade no nsuo tutu enkrofon tutuo akoda na ya se nsuo baje koja no na no twa man no momfa no ko obetu asema bia ye kama de amamo o kuma setano so apatrapa new site obey apatrapa junction for 0243 345392 050646 0208 na bibia enye kama emfama Sompa sika promotion na wagye so ye adwa ene de akwafini ankoda die akwa trotro mu fini a ma tan gyeso munya ka Sompa sika promotion si ye adwa na ya gyeso adwa mpa Sompa mankrofo botuma ye de wo de ne se pesika kuma bi efatu momo wallet ne so otuba ku bi eto 5 Ghana cedis eno ne se tie dial star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash wo dial ana wa send a select option 1 and ye Sompa kumase onse Sompa e Sompa kumase Sompa nkransa na Sompa sunwane wo tie kumase de no wa fa Sompa kumase eno anu no wadidi amokua ne nkatekwan ebe ye wo dia ne nyina no se ye to dodo na wutwa no now number no air dawson na ye to aba na e draw ye road draw say pa wa obella kebebo stop our number ba betos no wadi na wadi a wanya sika kra no 500 Ghana cedis kunkrolom na edam na on set me aka amanfo didi bia ntifa ontwim na bia enye kama eno e de te na Michael Asaribo do atena se Mickey ewo ha Mickey na ete say bokwa wi bibia hyehyɛ ye
nyame adom
untimi nkasa nkoyi eye pa
enkoyi kra untimi nya hwemfa
na said you onsa kan
ana me se enkoyi a woni bibia obɛyɛ afa ho ana meboa
okay
obetimi asesa no
matimeba na me no ba bedi nkomo bi na mom sompa akyade no ka ho nsɛm kakra ma right
de bia ka se o mami won hyase on
yes
na nyakopɔn na nkasa nimde nti a ne nimde mu ne nyansa mu ɔde fa nipa so montrogu trokronkron nim sɛ wa obema weni akɔ obi a sebe ɔyɛ ekunani obi a ɔyɛ janka obɛkɔ ne mboa no ɔno otwede amponya kopɔn sɛ nya de an rebe freuda enti sompa ya ne afade esi en wo sɛ afi bia bɛkɔ na wie ya nipa behia ɔmbɛto nsa ɔmbɛdidi ɔmoni bɛgye yenye ni na no wabra yenka ye maame mu a sebe wo mukunu no mawu agye ɔmo yenuanom nkum a wo mo agya ana ɔmo na enso afiri mu ndei ɔmo so akɔ ahon yehia mu kakra ɛno nti ana ye pɛsɛ yɛkso yɛ kɔ ɔmo mboa na yɛ kan ɔmo na yɛ ma ɔmo anigye na ɔmo so sere na ɔmo nya bidi wabra yɛ so yɛ di bronya no na ɛnam sɛ baakofo ne nsa enso nyankopɔn ni katanti yɛ to nsa de afrɛ ankrakra nyumakuo ɛne obi bia wo so saa botaye esi eni so yi wo so da wakoma so sɛ oba bɛka yɛ ho na obɛka yɛ ho a yɛtimi aka bom ne yɛtu anamon baako enti sompa din ne na bɛkɔ de nanso nhyira ne de ebi so bɛtrɛ na so aba wo so enti bɛka yɛ ho na sompa kyɛ de no yɛngigi ngum na yɛmfa bibia so ɛma ɛyɛ maame mo ya papa mo yɛnuanom nkuma no so ɔmo so yɛbɛka yɛ mo obronya brɛ na brɛ a wo yɛ saa de wei no na otwere de amponyankopɔn no de obo nsuo bo awia ɔno ne ndei ɔse yɛnyɛ saa de no de nhyira emu odu enso be maye ti yenjin sha na mfa osabie bi
nti die etia no say on the 1st of November na ye bie registration to na registration no ye maame akunafo no dodo na betwere mu din na sompa din dodo na ye pe no ye nset mi aka na mpanyimfo se domesa be gu akire no dɔso na ye nkoa no no ma na wo se ye de kyane ye ntimi to ma bia kwanya na to se keto bia nso a se emo na awo eye book na awo se ye ntade na awo eye toothpaste toothbrush
nti yenchemu sei je yedi aduane a yedi a ensei ebi ye mo na wo kan aha obetimi di aba je yedi a eno so ewo konkomu a eno so ya package ne kama te se tuna corn beef ni ade obetimi di aba anwa ni na obeka abom di aba nti aduane a yedi a ensei fabra afei akade ba ko mienu miense bi a ye yusu ofie so ma ema ye ho ya ho kan on de bibia akoyie ebi de say aposin ani ye toothpaste no toothbrush ye hia bi entade ye hia bi semina ye hia bi enti dia wo de bebe bia ye de be ko mombo bia no ye be som na yesu ye ni be so am ya da wase ansa na nhyira no so abia se
wantumi anya no man bia ma na sikampo na de beba number ni ne momo number ni 0598 55 02
you say aboso ba
na meja pai 0598 55 98
02 me pacha oba edin ebeba no eye Terawan Media anase Blessed Foster ntu hu anese you esa number na wo send e aba so na sompa chede a sompa foundation de aba no yesu etimi eyi na ye de aboa ye maame ekunafo ye papa mo na afeiso ye nuanom mo ye nyanka na wo ye no na otwedi amponyankopon so kaiwo ana we na nyanyi mu ye ya mo bia de wanyini de usa de oyare de wapomuden na afeiso de oye nkramoni de oye Kristo ni de onkwa so ye mu nyina na ye ka bom enti se wo so utia memfa ne say Christopher ade bi ne ye non denominational and enye faith based ye che dia so obi aso enti obi abebia wo bia wo ye konfo ye malamo wo ye sofo beshem okọ asori o okọ Masalachi and I say would there be a kubia brave support
me da say Michael Sarbo do not tell can I Chris Wooten ebe to just say pamono and a din sembia tudwa said the role as the Black Stars coach no yintie kakra.
What my role as coach of the Black Stars is to get the best results and the best performances from the team. You can't always get that, but what you can always do, you can always learn from your previous experiences, whether it's good or bad, and ultimately I will work as hard as I always do to try to get things the best way that we can. It's wonderful and great to want to talk about AFCON, the tournament itself, but sometimes for coaches it's difficult because we have 2 very important World Cup qualification games before then. If your concentrations are too far past that, then you can take your eye off, what is at this moment the most important thing. The most important thing for us at this moment are our 2 World Cup qualification games. Morocco, Egypt, Senegal, Cameroon, Tunisia. I think that the level of teams in Africa, I think, is as strong as it's ever been. I really do. I think there are so many now, so many more players playing at big clubs in Europe and on the world stage.
And we have some Black Stars head coach Chris Wooten Edia Tuga Dawood Heba Hospital Limited say cancer some the Dawood Heba Mesiaba some malaria fever wanu nyo de unya be beboa na Dawood 360 capsules enu sisine ya sasabro ebetu ase dia ma na Dawood ointment en wapon waposo ya na ho kekao nsanwa na bibi na ehunu wa unya be beboa enu ne ebo ne mrane friend sahwi aduro no na ukọ babia yeto aduro bia ubetime nya bi say Heba shop say over the counter na pharmacy na mumu ni 13 years untimi numbi opemfo ntimi numbi na oba tanso ntimi numbi for number 0241244012 and 0201 681717 safia dro no kwaku
da onim dem me the battle of the best home team versus the best away team.
Oh sir.
Yeah. Statistics in Samates ewo 100% record in terms of home games. We bought 4 matches with fear. We 4 points in on far back crunch. That is 4 games, 4 wins. We shed 10 goals with fear. We conceded back with a goal differential of +9. It is the league best record for home teams.
This season?
Yes, goal difference, it is the best record in the league for home teams. Number of wins, I think it's a great Olympics neche. It's a particular record na American in terms of home wins. Olympics above 5, we need 4 ewofie. And we draw back. But Samates now above 4, and we need 4 and so wofie. Into check here also. And wins now Samates in the league, ni no eba wonifie, which is the essentially parko. Now, what Tifri Moa, Asante Kotoko Diesuni, in terms of away, Kotoko above 4 games, where we need to lose 2. And they are the best away team by virtue of not just winning 2 games on the road. And the Ebi Ediane, we need 2 games on the road. Mediame, we need 2 games on the road. But Kotoko Diano, Eba, in terms of goals, I watch any goals I concede. In 4 away games, on the average, every game you should go back or concede back. So it means only a negative goal differential, which is a record or more, the similar record with Adriana Stars. But Adriana conceded 6, and I watch 6. But Kotoko Nasha 4, and I conceded 4. So, omo goal differential is 0 there. But Kotoko have conceded fewer goals as compared to Adriana. And they are the best away team in the league. Now, fast forward to game number 1, Kotoko era game name. On the backdrop of several controversies, crisis, whatever. Nyoma bebre na akoso, kasa akoso ni na ni jina se, and they korokobeye meet the press. Na ensema coach Prosper na Teogum editudja. And they ebeye a major discussion across several media platforms. The amount for Shushan say, if they want to put issues to bed, amount for a free problem and our issues are it is success.
results no
good one obate na issue si problem ba o de to skegu no so be kana no
oh that be on kasa bi
or starting so complaining na sikano ayibando ba ko tobo no fa born said the april no kra on kasa on complaining so who there oh yes sanity money solves many problems, not all problems but many problems. And no
tiwa it is say
na madam be support ampem da kwa no mko lusu
3 no cressa say oba woni be ma ho na say problem ba onye yiska kire wa problem ni nyina ya mutu ntuni mikinya de waka na nya oh sorry nti na me busa ha wo say no kra na nya no kra sa ntu ankasa de issue ba wo betwe ne tan sika kra ntimi nya hwe nsesa ho
sika na otobo me amesa ato abon
hey
a little bit meme. Internet sensation. I go virus.
Some say that.
Say on one friend and one and you'll be the commentary.
Or sister no crowd the bar. Mess over.
And we met to Scarbon. And Robert support him da kwa no mo kwaje 3. I want your baby din we no match kama. Wow. But the issue they say if Kotoko are recording wins, it will paper over the cracks and amount for rebefi.
Yeah.
Say Prospernato ogum crack can say. Baby say in this year. And the stories are there to cite as examples. There are several teams who have gone through crisis moments. The moment they were able to overturn that crisis moment to chalk success, whether so a trophy, whether so winning matches now. Eventually people forgot everything. Yeah, now Chelsea J Champions League for the first time. Chelsea were going through a crisis period. Yeah. And they had even sacked the manager because of dressing room mutiny, players there. But when they won the Champions League, some common in baby.
I'm referee.
Good. Among for referee say a time came where Ferguson was blasting players with a hair dryer treatment at our dressing room. Some of these players were senior players, but success never covers so. And yeah, they be EPA. Ebiasi ewo Ghana ha with the national team. Inti se Kotoko no bo match na owinia. Some of these comments free coach Wabano I refer baba because excuse me to say football fans are fickle minded. They deal with the present. Omo ya recency bias. Obi no Kaiser Prosperity Baba J League. Or him praying na dia oye. So the moment he starts winning, eventually they forget. And that's the fickle-mindedness of the football fan, and you can excuse them for that. Ultimately, then Chema also say, I don't know, they won't kai daching. They will guys see their way. So they move with the present times. So this game, Luther, a big for Kotoko in all facets of a ADFN football. A big for Kotoko one to quieten the mood, the tense atmosphere. Kasabe Brenham Club now say omunya a positive result. Say yenkunimdio, say even a quiet draw performance ni so enia. Some of the supporters will tone down. The media narrative will also twist kakra.
Okay.
But loss ne koba. Afi de be so jegu de no wakanim. Ebe twetwe nsem.
Ebe ha dwene Kotoko lusu chine be ha.
Yeah. So mo ko lose watch na game na. Ebe so je gum kra.
And so tia bro no maso a. Ase sama boy for na fa game yi pass a crucial game pa.
Match say bi na nya Kotoko ne bonus Kotoko. Fans na ne bo e de ma Kotoko. So uti mu hu the last season omo ye ya. You will understand some of these things make no. And Michia Kumi Kotoko supporter mapa. Takwane ne important mode obi enim.
Okay.
Last season they did a good job with a year game on Mokobo Summer Boy no.
Okay.
And some comes no Kotoko were not in good form, but they ended the game with a positive result. The person make a question say Samatters have a fine form. Kotoko were a fine away record. Game where they me who say Bekika kono. I think say if Kotoko to me pusunioma ekeka they will get a positive result out of it.
Okay.
Samatters have a good record here way, but games of this magnitude, it goes beyond the Abegos Park in the Sonkwa.
Because in the said they are 7 Dr. Sinchini Timnisia.
Oh, anything on Bubeshia. Omunshia. They should meet. That's all being see Obia Quine. Omunshia. Bakoroko Fonos was there. The into Amukodas and Kreguano so they will have their own initiations to do.
Okay.
Obia Bayane dear. Until let your powers combine. Nienshia, Captain Planet ni piani hundi obey. So to me clearly, koto two ammonium they are likely to get a positive result out of this. I will not sit here and talk tactics gidi mbaye dede mbaye na 4-4-2 anyway. This game goes beyond that. For Kotoko to get a result that is positive, it goes beyond just the tactical work and then what the players do on the field. What also goes on behind the scenes as we are crucial into be a man in the Nyejuma.
Okay,
Nyejuma Bebua. Chris Hutton.
Kwaku, Ebrenaso.
Emrenaso. Nekasa dia depa. So tie nekasa ye we ya.
Ne brofo no.
National team no de be man be 10 years.
But Ejuma no.
Ejuma ne there, I think a good coach, but Opa Ghana at the wrong time. One, at a time when it wasn't the best stage of his career as a coach, and then two, when Ghana were also not in their best of shape.
Meda se Kwaku Fancy adum na team kwama china e final lap no se benya daje I digest this particular issue we nya rewram edin sempia about Michael Asarebodu nkamidin de Luther King Michael Akumia the sports messiah